Hi friends, welcome to another story session from Tale Tribe. Today we will see a story where the organs of the body go on strike. Have you heard such thing before? People go on protest, people go on strike to show their disapproval. You children also would have fought with your mother, father, sister, and you will say, Ma, I am very angry. I don't want milk means don't want milk. Yes or no? Isn't it? So, like that, one day all the body parts, the organs, they came together for a meeting. The eyes was looking bright and said, hey buddies, you know something? Looks like we all are working together very hard. I feel, I believe there is only one organ which doesn't do any work but enjoys all our hard work. Enjoys all our hard work. Then the hand came. Yes, you are right, eyes. I also was thinking the same thing for quite some time. I know whom you are talking about. Then the legs was very tired and the legs were sitting. Suddenly it woke up and said, yes buddies, I totally agree with you. I know whom you are talking. Shall I say? Have you guys guessed? I hope you guys guessed it right. So it is the stomach. Then the nose came in. Yes, you are right. You know something? We all work hard. If a human being, if a person wants to go and eat food, who is the first one tells where it is? It is the nose. When your mama is cooking in the kitchen, your daddy is making some yummy, spicy, tasty noodles. The smell, you must be writing your homework, right? You must be doing something. But the nose will tell you the food is getting prepared. You run into the kitchen. Daddy, what are you making? Mama, what are you giving me for lunch or dinner or snacks, right? So the nose says, I struggle so much to find out which is the best smell and which is the bad smell. So I tell where is the food. I indicate. The eyes also told, yes, yes, that is why I started this conversation, we have to decide. So when the nose says, finds out where is the nice yummy food taste coming, smell coming from, I am the person who guides the hands and legs to the food. And the ears say, not only you guys here, I am also in that with you. Supposing the smell you can't receive, you can't find the smell, you are quite far, maybe children, you guys are playing in the playground, you can't really smell the food, what your mama and dada is making, isn't it? So then mama will call, child, Rohan, Deepthi, Argya, come, food is ready, isn't it? So who is hearing? The ear is hearing. Yes, correct? So I am the person who tells always. So where is the food? What is the call for? Is it for food? Is it for something else? Then now whose turn? The mouth. Hey people, I am also there with you. I also work so hard. The eyes will take the person to the food. The ears will hear where is the food. And sometimes when your mama and daddy, grandmother or somebody is cooking in the house, you will hear the sound, no? Maybe you are sitting in the other room. When the kitchen, the utensil sound noise, ting, 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 frying, dosa making, shh, all that come, who hears? The ear hears. So not only you guys, the eyes will tell where, will take you to the food, the nose will smell and tell where the food is, the ears will hear the noise and tell. But when the food is put in, I am the person who is struggling to You have to chew the food properly and eat, no? Why? Because I struggle hard, I chew the food nicely to make the stomach comfortable. The hand is coming, hey, don't forget me, I am also there, come on. The ears will tell where the food is, the eyes will see where the food is, the nose will smell where the food is, the mouth will chew. Only I take the food and feed it inside you, in the mouth. Don't forget, I am also equally working hard. Only who is not working, who is enjoying all the benefits? Only the stomach. And now, yeah, you are right. So the legs is telling, don't forget me. The eyes can see the food, the nose can smell the food, the ears can hear the noise, the hands will feed in the mouth. But who will take you near the plate? Who will take you to the dining table? Who will take you to the kitchen? It is me, guys. Don't forget me. All of them like this, they come together and they decided we all are working hard, and now who is not working? Only the stomach. And you know who joined these guys? The brain. The brain said, hey, hello, you can't do anything if I don't tell you to do something. When the eyes are seeing, the nose is smelling, the mouth is chewing, the hands are feeding, the legs are walking. Who is guiding you all? It is me, the brain. I do everything, I control everything, I make strategies. Don't forget me. But I also agree that stomach is the only organ which does not do any work but enjoys all the benefits. You think the stomach was doing something, hearing all this, was it feeling bad? No. The stomach kept churning the food, it kept on doing its work. What is the work of the stomach? To further digest the food and then supply the energy to all parts of the body. Okay. Now, so what should we do? All these organs came together, no? Who is the only person who is not working and now not replying also? All the talking the stomach heard but decided, chose not to reply. It kept on doing its work. All the organs said, okay, this is not fair. We all work hard, stomach enjoys all the benefits. So what do we do? The eyes is the one, it started the conversation, no? So what do we do? The eyes said, strike. The nose said, strike. The ear said, stop working. The mouth said, stop chewing. So all came together and decided, from tomorrow, today's food is over. From tomorrow, eyes will not see the food, nose will not smell the food, ears will not hear the call from the mother or father. Then the hand will not feed the food, the legs will not take the person to the food. Full strike. They all stopped working. The stomach kept on churning, rotating and rotating. It can't stop its work, isn't it? Now, the first day, everybody was enjoying. How relaxing today. Otherwise, you know, every time I have to see the food, I have to smell the food, I have to take the person to the food. Today, first time in my life, I am relaxing. How nice it feels. I think once in a week at least you should stop working here. What do you think? Asked the nose. The ear said, why only one day? Let us stop 3 days a week, 4 days a week. Arey yaar, let's not work only yaar. Let's enjoy life. So, okay. So, they all came together and said, who can sing nicely? We have to do some entertainment. We need some entertainment, no? So, who is going to? Somebody can sing? Yeah. The mouth said, yeah, I can sing. So then they said, okay, you sing a song. Okay, I know you can sing and you can talk. Immediately the mouth is feeling very happy. It's getting lot of importance. So the mouth started singing. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. La 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 la. And everybody was dancing. The hands were dancing up and down, moving nicely, and then the legs were shaking, the eyes were going tang tang like that, the nose also was trying to dance. Only the ear could not move, but it was hearing the noise, the sound, and everybody was enjoying. The brain is also joining them. Hey guys, everybody stop work. I'm also enjoying your song. So one full day is gone. Everybody is relaxed, all happy. Time to sleep here. Night. Happily sleep. Nicely we are taking revenge on the stomach. You see, they are very happy. Tomorrow you watch, stomach is going to come and say sorry to us, okay? Thinking that they slept off. One day gone. The second day is also gone. But today, the second day, the organs are feeling tired. The eyes is like, don't know yaar what happened today. I'm not able to see properly. I said, yeah. The nose said, I think so. I can't smell nicely. No, my smelling capacity looks like has come down. And then from inside, mama was calling, hey buddy, what are you doing? Come eat fast. But unless the ear hears, you don't know where the food is, right? You don't know mama is calling you, correct? So the ear is like, I think somebody is calling me. I can't hear, but I know it is for food only. The mother is calling for food, but I am not hearing. I close myself. The mouth also, I'm not opening for food. So second day is also gone. The third day morning, and one more thing, has the stomach bothered? It kept on churning, rotating, churning, rotating. It kept on going round and round and round and round like a grinder. The third day morning, when they got up, the brain was so tired, could not think of anything. The eyes could not open fully, only this much. The ears cannot hear, nose cannot smell, the mouth, the tongue, they can't move, hands and legs are like so tired, can't even get up. And the stomach kept on smiling and kept on like merry-go-round the mulberry bush, you know that song, right? It kept on doing its work. And by third day, the brain was telling, hey buddies, I think. Do you guys think what I think? The eyes asked, yeah, we think so. Hey buddies, do you think what I think? The nose said, yes, I too. Same thing I am thinking. What is their thinking? What is their realization? They all know the eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hands and legs. All they do their part only to take the person to the food. When the mouth chews it, the mouth is not fully grinding or making the food particle smaller and smaller, not mashing it properly. What do we do sometimes? We just put it in the mouth, we'll be watching TV, nom, 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 we just gulp it down. We are so busy watching television or watching something in the mobile or in your laptop, but you forget to chew properly. But the stomach never complains, isn't it? It takes everything and it keeps doing its work of grinding the food and converting it into energy and supplying it to all the organs. The brain needs energy, isn't it? The heart needs energy. The eyes need energy. The nose need energy. All parts of the body need energy. Who is supplying the food selflessly? The energy surplusly is sent by none other than the stomach. Now all the organs realized, I think all of us think the same thing, right? It is not the stomach who is selfish, but it is we all are selfish. We all see the food, smell the food, eat the food, chew the food, walk to the food, hear the food, because we want energy. The brain guides us, but it is the stomach. We just keep filling the stomach with food and food and food and food. It is the stomach which converts it into energy and supplies. So, it is the stomach which is the only selfless organ in the body. So, they all went together and they asked for sorry. The brain said, I am so sorry, I can't think anything. Dear stomach, please, we'll give you some food. The hand will pick up some food and put it in the mouth. So now the mouth cannot chew properly because no energy. Somehow you give some energy. We will work hard hereafter. And they all said, we will not blame you. Hereafter we understood the truth. And the stomach said, I know that is the truth, but what is the point of arguing and fighting with you people? We all have to work together to make the best of the energy. So, all of them came together, unity, isn't it? They all united together and they ensured that the eyes said, I will not see any bad food hereafter. And nose said, I will not take you to the foul food. I will give you the best smell only. The ear said, when bad food like fast food and all, no, too much of fast food is also not good, right? So, the ear said, I will not hear any bad food making sound, only good food. The mouth said, my dear stomach, I will help you chewing the food nicely as far as possible. And that day onwards, it started not watching TV, not into the mobile or laptop, but everybody concentrated on eating and everyone helped to supply nice food to the stomach. So, the stomach is happy, all of us stay very, very healthy. So, that is our story, children, parents, friends, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this stomach, the selfless stomach story. So, if you are happy, I am happy, Tail Tribe is happy. So, if you haven't subscribed the channel, think of doing now. If you like the story, please do subscribe to our Tail Tribe channel. Bye for now. I am Tamarai Chelvi from Tail Tribe. Namaste. Thank you.